Hi, this is Jeannie with part 2 of behind the scenes of my kitchen refresh. Again, I came in from being out of town and I noticed my kitchen was not quite right. So this is a mini refresh. This is how I kind of clean up my kitchen, keep it organized. I just can't stand a dirty kitchen. So just have at it. Just go for it. Just make sure it's clean, tidy, and I'm happy. If my kitchen's clean, I am happy. Everyone else will be happy. So again, my kitchen is really huge. My kitchen, I had especially built or designed when we built this home because I spent so much time here. Me, my mom, my aunts, my kids. This is the place in the house that everybody needs. So the kitchen had to be not only beautiful, but comfortable and definitely functional. And therefore, it must stay clean. So my kitchen has 2 dishwashers. Yes, I use 2 dishwashers because we really eat a lot and the kids are always having friends over, so the dishwashers come in handy. I also have 2 drawer warmers. Sure, I do have 2 ovens and they're like sub-zero ovens and they have a warming feature, but I don't like to tie up my ovens warming food because I'm constantly using them for baking things. So the drawer warmers come in handy. I keep the food warm there. Also, I discovered that I can use my drawer warmers to actually cook certain meals, particularly shrimp scampi, and it turns out fabulous. Also, I have a steam oven. That was a must. The steam oven is perfect. I mean, it reheats food so well. Your food is never dry when you reheat it, especially chicken. You know, when you reheat chicken, it just gives me like the heebie-jeebies because the chicken, like, it just doesn't taste good. It's dry. It's like you're eating cardboard. But when you actually reheat your chicken in the steam oven, oh my gosh, watch out. Also, the steam oven is really good at actually creating hard-boiled eggs too. And you can also bake sweet potatoes. So when I'm making sweet potato pies, I go ahead and put my sweet potatoes in the steam oven and they are perfect. It takes maybe about 10-15 minutes and I don't have to worry about boiling water and scalding myself, etc. I have a whole bunch of pot drawers here in my kitchen as well because big pots are a necessity in the South. At one point I lived in Louisiana, so those big gumbo pots I can store pretty easily. My kitchen also has like spice drawers, knife drawers, and the list goes on and on. But my refrigerator, I guard my life. I love that sub-zero refrigerator. I grew up with one in my house. My mom had hers for like almost 25 years with no issues. No one touches that refrigerator, and I do not like that refrigerator jumped out. If it is, I will kill you. That's just me. But the kitchen island I love is huge. It is functional on both sides, and I keep in my island a baking area with all my the items I need to make wonderful baked goods. I also have a space where my mixer and food processor are stored, and you just open up the cabinet door, you slide it up, and it pops right up, and voila, you got it. And my microwave, of course, has to be in the kitchen island because I have young kids, and I tell you, having a microwave high up in the air is not a good deal at all when you have little kids. But I love my kitchen. This is what I do. I keep it clean, I keep it fresh, and this is an unfiltered view. So sit back and enjoy and watch me clean. Well, part 2 is almost done, so hey, follow me on all my social media channels, okay? You can find me on Instagram at Jeannie Jacobs, Pinterest at Just Jeannie. You can also find me on Facebook at Just Jeannie as well. And also subscribe to my blog, join my newsletter, And please, of course, subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is part 2 of my kitchen refresh.